I'm Jeff with the Home Improvement Encyclopedia. You're listening to another episode on the Two Guys Talking Podcast Network. Okay, guys, it's time for another Windows story here on HomeImprovementEncyclopedia.com. One day I'm giving an estimate to an elderly lady, and to measure the windows, I go in and you got to pull back the curtains and the drapes, and she's not able to get around real well, so she's like,
"You go ahead and measure everything up. I'll just sit here and you can come back when you're done."
So I pull back the window curtains. Behind the curtains, there was shears. So I pulled back the curtains, I pulled back the shears, and there's this huge valance hanging up over the window. And I pull that back, and I reach up my measure tape and there's mushrooms growing out of the wall. And I'm like, you got mushrooms growing on your wall in here?
They were 6-inch mushrooms, Jeff, and they were draping down.
She as much as called me a liar. So I took a picture of the mushrooms and I brought it in and showed her. She said,
"You put those there."
"Mary, those are rooted in your sheetrock. They're growing out of there. If I was to put them there, I would have had to been here a couple weeks ago or more to plant them. You've got a moisture issue up here."
"I cleaned those windows last week. That wasn't there then."
"Did you pull?"
"I cleaned those windows last week. It wasn't there then."
"No, Mary, it's been there a little while. You've got a water problem in here somewhere around the window or further up on your wall." And so I took pictures because I'm like, you're not going to believe this. There's mushrooms growing out of this lady's wall.
Yeah, and this lady, it was actually the aunt of one of our installers. When we first got in business, one of our installers that worked for us, which still does from time to time, it was his aunt. And he calls me and he goes,
"Dave, what are you trying to do?"
And I'm like, "What do you mean?" And he goes,
"My aunt says she's got mushrooms growing out of her wall."
and I said, "All right, meet me over at the house and we will show you." Well, we went over to the house. I don't know if you were with me, Jeff, but I went over to the house. I met him there. When we got to the house, we pulled back the curtains, and sure enough, these things, they were about 6 inches long. They were bent over, draping over her curtain rods. So they were actually above the window. Well, it's a 2-story home. So what we did is we went upstairs and we looked at the other windows. Well, it turns out that the top 2 double pane windows in a 10-year-old home, their bottom sills had a small hairline crack in there, and you couldn't tell it until you pressed on it. And usually we find that when the weep holes don't drain properly, the windows will develop ice in the wintertime and it'll expand and it'll crack the frame. Well, that's what it did. So every time it rained and the water went through the screen, it dripped through the master frame down into her walls, and it just found a channel all the way down to where the curtain rods were on the window on the first floor. And the water and the dirt and the silt and the bacteria and all that, it fertilizes itself. And she had mushrooms growing out of her wall where the curtain rods were fastened to it. It was unbelievable.
She was horrified.
Yeah.
Because I cleaned my house.
That's right. And of course, we brought our own mushrooms when we measured it. We were just trying to steal from her. That was her opinion. It's like,
Yeah, I just don't know how I could get them to grow in the wall that quick.
No, ma'am, we don't carry 6-inch mushrooms with us, and we don't super glue them to your wall. It's just not something we do. But that was a fact. We are not gardeners or farmers. We don't bring our own vegetation to your home.
Or fungus.
Or fungus. But we are professionals about window, and we can usually track down the issue. Given enough study to it, we'll find the problem. So give us a call. You have that ability with us because I'm a contractor, where a sales guy has never put in a door in his life. A lot of times these guys barely know how to screw in a light bulb. We've actually built homes and put in windows and put in doors, and we can usually figure these things out relatively quickly.
So if you'd like to hear more fascinating window stories, come visit HomeImprovementEncyclopedia.com on the Two Guys Talking Network. Come see us again soon to see how we can help you turn your home into the home of your dreams.